Imagine, for a moment, the sheer, mind-bending scale of our reality. We exist on a single planet, orbiting a single star, within a single galaxy we call the Milky Way. But this is just one island of light in a cosmic ocean of staggering proportions. The part of this ocean we can see, the observable universe, is a tapestry woven from the light of at least 2 trillion galaxies. That's 2,000 billion star systems, each containing hundreds of billions of stars of its own. The numbers are so vast, they become almost meaningless, like trying to count every grain of sand on every beach on Earth. Now, let's embark on a thought experiment, a journey to the very edge of physics and comprehension. Take our planet, Earth, this vibrant blue marble, teeming with life, and begin to compress it. Imagine an invisible cosmic vice tightening its grip, squeezing our world with a force beyond any earthly measure. The pressure required is so immense that it would overcome the fundamental forces holding our planet together. Continents would fold like paper, mountains would crumble into dust, and the vast oceans would boil away into steam, vanishing into the void. Under this relentless compression, Earth would shrink, past the size of a city, past the size of a mountain, until it was no larger than a peanut. At that point, its density would become so extreme that its own gravity would collapse it completely, tearing a hole in the fabric of space-time itself. You have just created a black hole. But we are not stopping there. Our journey requires a far grander scale. Now take everything. Not just our solar system, not just our galaxy, but the entire observable universe. Every single one of those 2 trillion galaxies, with their spiraling arms and glowing cores. Every star, from the most brilliant blue giant to the faintest red dwarf. Every planet, every moon, every asteroid. Every swirling nebula, those beautiful stellar nurseries where new stars are born. Every enigmatic black hole, every blindingly bright quasar, and every last stray atom and speck of cosmic dust floating in the infinite darkness between them. Take all of it, all the matter, all the energy, all the light that has traveled for 13.8 billion years to reach us, and begin to compress it all. Imagine all of existence. The entire cosmic web of galaxies and voids, collapsing inward. Everything rushes together, converging on a single, infinitesimal point. The universe shrinks until all of that cosmic grandeur, all of that unimaginable mass and energy, is squeezed into a volume smaller than a single proton. A proton is so small that the width of a single human hair is 30 billion times thicker. This is a point of infinite density, infinite temperature, and infinite gravity where the laws of physics as we know them cease to exist. You have now arrived at a singularity. This is not just any singularity, this is the kind of primordial singularity that scientists believe was the very beginning of our universe. And this is where our journey truly begins. We are going back to the moment before time itself. To truly comprehend the origin of everything, we must embark on a journey unlike any other, a voyage not through space, but through time itself. We must rewind the cosmic clock, peeling back the layers of existence, one epoch at a time. Our destination lies 13.8 billion years in the past, at the very dawn of creation. So, let us begin. Imagine yourself untethered from the linear flow of time, a solitary observer in the vast cosmic theater. As we initiate this great rewind, the familiar narrative of the universe begins to play in reverse. The celestial ballet you've always known starts to dance backward. Look around you. The grand spiraling arms of galaxies which have spent eons unfurling across the void, now begin to retract. They spin not outward, but inward, their majestic structures tightening, their stars merging back into primordial clouds. Distant galaxies, once rushing away from us at incredible speeds, now reverse course, hurtling back toward a common, unseen center. The very fabric of space-time, which has been stretching for billions of years, starts to contract. The universe is not just getting younger, it is physically shrinking, compressing back into a state of unimaginable density. Every star, every planet, every nebula is on a collision course with its own past. The most violent and spectacular events in cosmic history now unfold with an eerie, inverted logic. Witness the supernova, the explosive death of a massive star. Instead of a cataclysmic detonation that seeds the cosmos with heavy elements, you see the opposite. The brilliant, expanding shockwave of gas and dust halts its advance and collapses inward. Streams of incandescent matter, flung across light years, are drawn back, as if by an invisible thread, reabsorbed into the heart of the dying star. The blinding flash of light dims, the fire is swallowed, and the star is momentarily reborn from its own ashes, resurrected only to continue its journey backward in time toward an even earlier, more stable state. Even the universe's most enigmatic monsters, the black holes, are not immune to this temporal reversal. These gravitational behemoths, whose defining characteristic is that nothing can escape their grasp, now become generous fountains of matter and energy. The swirling superheated accretion disk, a vortex of doomed material, begins to spin in reverse, ejecting gas and dust back into space. Powerful relativistic jets, which once shot out from the poles at near the speed of light, now retract, flowing back into the singularity. The black hole itself seems to dissolve, its immense gravitational pull weakening as it surrenders the mass it has consumed over billions of years, ultimately vanishing from existence as if it were never there. Everything is converging. The cosmic web, that vast, intricate filamentary structure of galaxy clusters, unravels. The voids between them shrink to nothing. All of existence is being funneled toward a single, infinitely dense point in the distant past. The cold, dark blue of deep space begins to warm, shifting to a brilliant, fiery amber as the universe grows hotter and more compressed. You are witnessing the undoing of creation, the ultimate journey home. In this moment, you're not just an observer. You're the first and only time traveler in all of existence, bearing witness to the moment before the beginning. To truly comprehend the origin of everything, you must embark on a journey unlike any other. A journey not through space, but through time itself. Forget rockets and warp drives. Your vessel is your own consciousness, rewinding the cosmic clock at an impossible speed. Your destination. The very beginning, 13.8 billion years into the past. As you begin this reverse pilgrimage, the familiar tapestry of the cosmos starts to unravel. The vast dark voids between galaxies, which have been expanding for eons, now begin to shrink. The universe is no longer growing older, it is becoming younger, denser, and unimaginably more energetic with every moment you travel backward. Look around you. Entire galaxies, once majestic, sprawling islands of stars, are now rushing toward you and each other. Their graceful spiral arms, which took hundreds of millions of years to form, unwind in mere seconds. The light from these distant star systems shifts, not towards the red of an expanding universe, but violently towards the blue, a clear sign that everything is converging. You are witnessing the reversal of cosmic history, a film of creation played backward, at unimaginable speed. The very fabric of space-time is contracting, pulling all of existence back toward its primordial state. You are the sole audience to this magnificent, terrifying spectacle, the first and only time traveler in all of existence. The grand, violent events that shaped the universe are now undone before your eyes. A brilliant supernova, the death cry of a massive star, reverses its explosion. Its expanding shell of gas and dust collapses back upon itself. The cataclysmic blast imploding until the star is reborn, whole and stable once more. Nearby, a supermassive black hole, a gravitational monster that has devoured stars for billions of years, begins to hemorrhage matter. Jets of light and energy, once trapped beyond its event horizon, are violently ejected as the black hole itself shrinks and then vanishes, as if it had never been. The fundamental laws of cause and effect are inverted. Death precedes life. Endings become beginnings. As you plunge deeper into the past, the universe becomes unrecognizable. The cold, dark expanse is gone, replaced by a thick, oppressive fog. You are entering an era before the first stars, before the first galaxies. This is the afterglow of creation itself, the cosmic microwave background. But you are not seeing it as a faint, cool echo. You are traveling back to when it was a brilliant, searing wall of light and energy. A uniform golden field that filled all of space. The temperature climbs relentlessly, first thousands, then millions of degrees. The pressure builds not just on your body, but on the very concept of structure. The journey becomes more violent. The serene golden light transforms into a turbulent, incandescent ocean of plasma. The distinction between matter and energy blurs. There are no stars, no planets, no atoms, only a chaotic soup of fundamental particles, crushed together under unimaginable heat and pressure. The contraction accelerates. The fabric of space-time itself is now folding and pleating, like a sheet being gathered by an invisible hand. Every point in the universe is rushing toward every other point. The journey is almost over. You are approaching the final moment, the ultimate destination, a state of infinite density, temperature, and pressure, contained within a point of zero volume. You are approaching the singularity.